Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Simply CM. And right now, nasa summer house tayo dito sa Lowland, Denmark. And yeah, there's like a very big celebration of a birthday. And dito, parang it's very important for them if it's like 40, 50 years birthday, ganyan. So we got invited. And then yung wife is mag 40 years old. And then yung husband naman mag 50 years old. So they put the two birthdays together. We put the two birthdays together, guys. So it's like a big celebration. So we've been here since Friday, and then uwi kami tomorrow. Today is Sunday. Today is like the real day of celebration. And then I'm with a lot of people. Pero hindi ko sila ganun kakilala talaga. Parang dito ko lang sila na-meet. But you know, it's fun to see and actually meet new people. And nga, pakita ko sa inyo. Very international. May Russian, may Danish, may Asian. Ako lang yung isang Asian talaga. So, I'll just let you see yung party hindi pa talaga nag-start. I mean, we had a welcome drink, ganon, and then right after, we're gonna start the party, and then the real dinner will be in there. And I think it is, I don't know what time is it right now actually. Let me check. So the time is, then you see, 6:38 na ng gabi. Makikita nyo naman, sobrang liwanag pa. So, ganon.
Specielt russisk plads til 8.000.
What, Martin?
Har du fået lov?
Den der skal...
Yeah. You can see Christina was like...
Jeg tror ikke, den koster 8.000.
Koster 8.000.
Jeg tror, der er den gør ikke. Ja, jeg skulle bare lige...
And then it's just a small drink?
No, it was a joke.
Okay, fine. And then somebody's gonna open a champagne now. That's the son, and that's the mom, the birthday celebrant, 40 years old, and then that is the a lot of people. You can see, and I'm just trying to capture the background during the party. Yeah. Oh, and then Martin is actually doing the champagne, like drinking a little bit.
She's vlogging, vlogging. Sending live to all the fans.
No, it's not live. It's
all
just
the
a
fans.
vlog.
Hej til fans.
Hi to fans. Hello fans, welcome to my vlog. Today I want to show you what I got in my bag.
Martin.
Always wear this lipstick because it just makes my lips pop.
Martin is like teasing me a little bit that my vlog is like all about what is in my bag, but no, it's not. It's like actually a real life.
Sometimes I also make an unboxing. I just got this package coming in from a place in China called Shein. Woo!
Summer's day in Shepherdstown, an eagle in a thermal is a circling round like a tire on a bike rolling down Columbus Street. But Katie got a little look of hope in her eyes, and her arms unfold, and she looked to the skies and said, I'm gonna learn to fly around with you, yeah. She jumped up high and she fell to the ground and skinned her little knee and made a horrible sound. She got right up and she tried it again and smiling all the way with her unstoppable grin. Take time, do what you're gonna do and just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. No, no, take time, do what you're gonna do. Just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and you will learn to fly. Children used to laugh at her. They say your head is in the clouds, and when you come back to earth, the men in the white coats, they will all be waiting for you. But Katie knew that there was something they didn't see, and she climbed up to the top of the sycamore tree and said, look out world, I am gonna fly away. She stood so tall and with all her might she took a flying leap of an astonishing height.